Welcome to Hexagon, where innovation meets sustainability. Our advanced battery regeneration process extends the life of your batteries, saving costs while reducing environmental impact. The first step in our process is decontamination. Each battery undergoes a thorough cleaning to remove corrosion and debris, ensuring optimal regeneration. Next, we measure the specific gravity and density of the electrolyte in each cell. Using precision instruments, we also record the initial battery voltage to assess its current state. Before regeneration, we conduct a load test to determine the battery's discharge capacity in C5 hours. This helps us analyze the efficiency loss over time. Now, the real transformation begins. The battery is connected to the BRT machine, where controlled pulsations break down internal crystallization deposits. Throughout the process, we monitor amperage and voltage to ensure a steady restoration. Once pulsation is complete, we perform another load test to compare performance. The battery then goes through a controlled charge and discharge cycle to restore maximum efficiency. With Hexagon's battery regeneration technology, we bring your old batteries back to life, enhancing performance and extending usability. Why replace when you can restore? Join the revolution today.